Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Reshma and this video is brought to you by Getright Property, your most trusted real estate platform. And today we are exploring Lorven Cascade Garden, which is located in Immadihalli Main Road in Whitefield. Before we get in detail about this project, let me help you understand about Getright Property. Getright Property is your advisory real estate platform which holds 8 years of experience. Getright Property is here to help you out, advise you and guide you to choose the right property which matches your requirement or which is the best deal out there. All this is under zero brokerage. That means it gives you a direct builder pricing with no hidden cost. And also, if you book through us, you get a complimentary gift as an iPhone. In this video, we'll cover project overview, location, why this project, configuration, amenities, specification, investment potential, developer credibility, and who is this for. Lorven Cascade Garden is a premium residential project which is spread across 4.3 acres, and this project consists 4 towers with an elevation of 1 basement plus ground plus 9 floors, and it consists 312 premium apartments as well. And the best part about this project is their open space. This project offers you 75% of open space, and what really stands out about this project is their clubhouse. Clubhouse is 12,500 square feet just in the middle of your tower B and C, which consists various amenities within this project. Right now this project is under construction, but according to the RERA date, the possession timeline is December 2028. For RERA details, construction status, inventory updates, and to book a site visit, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. This project is located in Immadihalli Main Road in Whitefield, which has great connectivity to ITPL, Whitefield, Kyarpuram and ORR. If you're a working professional, then IT hubs like ITPL, GR Tech Park, HM Tech Park and Brigade Tech Park is just few minutes from this location. And also, if you have kids, then you don't have to worry about top institutions. Then schools like Whitefield Global School, Clay Preschool and Greenwood High Preschool is just few minutes from this location. You don't have to worry about hospitals like Manipal Hospital, Vaidehi Hospital, Sri Satya Sai Hospital and Astar Hospital is just close by this location. If you're someone who shops regularly, then Nexus Mall and DMart is just close by this location. If you're someone who travels regularly through metro, then Functional Kadugodi and Whitefield Metro Station, Patandur Metro Station and Hope Forum Metro Station all comes under Purple Line is just few minutes from this location. For commute analysis or to check the location of school, hospitals, restaurant or anything you wish to explore, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. This project offers you only 3 BHK homes, which is 1325 square feet to 1785 square feet. If you want to know more about configuration, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Now you must be wondering what would be the price range of this beautifully designed project. Don't worry, 3 BHK costs you at just 1.54 CR and per square foot costs you 10,250. That's it. We offer a wide range of features on our website. If you're someone who's confused between 2 or 3 projects, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now, shortlist them and start analyzing. If you need a clear analysis, then you can simply call us to the given number. Our team will get back to you and help you in this process. Let me tell you, we offer this as one-on-one free advisory session, which can be done online, offline or at your own convenience. Now let's move forward with a thoughtfully designed 3 BHK model flat, which is 1740 square feet. Let's begin with the main door. Right here is your main door. It comes with a smart lock as well. And then moving forward with it, right here is your foyer area. You can see how spacious enough and pretty enough this looks right here, and you can set up any interiors you wish to set up in your foyer area. Have you ever seen this spacious foyer area in any other model flats? And then moving forward with that, this is your living area. This looks so spacious, premium, luxurious enough. You could see how pretty and beautiful this looks, and this is so spacious that you can set up a 3-seater, 2-seater, L-seater. If you set up a 3-seater, you still have space for interiors as well. You can design your home as you want it. And then let me tell you, it comes with an attached here. It comes with an entertainment zone right here, and then you can set up any interiors you wish to set up right within your living area. And the best part about this model flat is their balcony. It comes with a mosquito mesh as well, and let me tell you, this balcony is so spacious that you can set up a mini couch, mini sofa. Even though if you set up a mini sofa, you still have space to set up a mini tables right here. And you can also do some gardening if you're someone who loves to do gardening, and spend some time with your relatives, cousins, guests, anyone you wish to. And then right opposite to you, right behind your living area, you will find a beautiful space to set up your dining area. You can see how beautiful this looks and spacious it looks. You can set up a 4-seater or any seater you wish to set up right here. And then moving forward with the beautiful kitchen, let me tell you, beautiful kitchen and a spacious kitchen right here. You can see how spacious enough this looks. If you're someone who loves to cook in a spacious space, then this is definitely a right option for you. And the advantage of this kitchen is it comes open kitchen. If you're someone who loves to cook in an open kitchen, direct, you can the advantage of open kitchen is you can directly serve your dish to your dining table right from here. If you're someone who doesn't love to cook in an open kitchen, then you can still set up some interiors, or you can close the space if you wish to. And then you get the slab right here, a sitting space right within your kitchen. That is so amazing. This kitchen is already impressing me, and it will definitely impress you as well. And then this comes with an utility area. Right here is your utility area to set up a dishwasher or anything you wish to set up right here. And let me tell you, this comes with an attached sink as well. And then the best part about this utility area is it comes with open wide windows with mosquito mesh as well, and for your natural light and ventilation as well. And then this kitchen has, like, they provide you within this kitchen they provide you gas pipeline as well, and many other things, and space for your interiors as well. That is amazing, I'm telling. And then moving forward with a room right here is your room 1, bedroom 1 right here. You can see how premium and luxurious enough this looks, and it is so spacious that you can set up any size of bed right here you can set up. And then it comes with a UDS 3 UDS glass windows with an attached mosquito mesh as well. And then it is so spacious, you can set up any interiors you wish to set up right here. And then moving forward with that, right here is a space to set up a closet right here. It is so wide enough that you can set up any size range of closets right here. Then moving forward with that, this is your common washroom. You can see how spacious this washroom looks, and it comes with they provide you sanitary fittings within this washroom as well. Then moving forward, right opposite to your common washroom, you will find a kids room right here. Is your kids room. This is so spacious enough. Your kid will definitely love this room because it looks so premium and luxurious enough, and his or her friends will definitely complement their room. And then this is so spacious that you can set up a queen size bed for your kid right here, along with some interiors. If you set up a queen size bed for your kid, you can set up any interiors along with that. And let me tell you, this room is attached with a wide enough huge windows with mosquito mesh as well. And here is a space to set up a study table. You can see how premium enough this looks. You can design your home or room as per you wish to. And this room comes with an attached washroom as well. You can see how premium enough this looks, and it is so spacious, and it comes with an attached sanitary fittings as well. And here is your space to set up your closet here. Right here you can see how spacious, how wide this closet is. If you want to set up a small closet, still you have space to set up some interiors. If you wish to set up a wide closet, then it looks something like this. Then moving forward with that, beautiful room of this model flat is their master bedroom. I loved this room really, and because it looks so spacious enough that you can set up a queen size bed, king size bed. You can see, even though if you set up a king size bed, you still have some space to set up interiors. That is amazing. You will never find this spacious room in any other projects as well. And then this is a space to set up a closet right here, a wide enough closet, you can see. And then even though if you set up a wide enough closet, you still have space to set up some interiors, a dressing table, anything you wish to set up right here. And then you have space to set up your entertainment zone right here as well. And the best part about this room is it comes with an attached balcony with a mosquito mesh as well. You can see how cute and pretty enough this balcony looks. You can set up some gardening, a mini couch or mini sofa to spend some time with your loved one as well. And then this comes with an attached washroom as well. This room comes with an attached washroom, pretty enough this is. And in this way we come to an end of this model flat. What really stands out about this project is their amenities. This project offers you 40 plus amenities within the project, and let me tell you, this project offers you clubhouse within the project itself, and clubhouse includes 10 plus amenities within the clubhouse itself. If you want to know more about the amenities, or if you need a complete list of amenities, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. This project is built on RCC construction, which includes smart lock main door and vitrified floorings across your living area, dining area, kitchen and bedrooms. You get UPVC windows with mosquito mesh, anti-skid tails in your kitchen and your bathrooms as well, and you get sanitary fittings within your washroom as well. You get a wide enough huge windows within your utility area and kitchen, and also you get attached sink and gas pipeline system within your kitchen. Not just these specifications, if you need a complete list of specifications, or if you want to know more about specifications, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. If you want to rent, resale or even buy the property, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. If you're someone who wants to rent and resale, then you can simply fill in your details and list out your property details on our website, and our team will get back to you and help you in this process as well. If you don't have time to do all of these things, if you don't have time to do the listings, then you can call us to the given number. Our team will get back to you and do it on your behalf. Lorven Cascade Garden is developed by Lorven Ventures, which holds 12 years of experience, 11 plus completed projects and 3 upcoming projects. And let me tell you, the developer is known for his on-time delivery and quality construction. If you want to know more about the builder or to check their more projects, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. This project is best for end-use buyers, long-term investors and families looking for 3 BHK homes, and this is for long-term investors as well. If you want to know more about investment potential, or if you want to plan your investment, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. This project is ideal for IT professionals working in Whitefield and ORR, families looking for premium 3 BHK homes, long-term investors looking for long-term appreciation, and buyers looking for peaceful environment as well, and end users seeking for end-use living. Plans may change, you may move abroad, or you may find a better investment plan, or you may fall into any financial needs. Are you ready to face this all alone? Don't worry, Getright Property is here to help you out. Getright Property doesn't let you face all this alone. Everybody will help you when you're purchasing the property, but does anyone help you beyond the purchase? Have you wondered about this? Don't worry, Getright Property will help you beyond the purchase as well. If you're someone who's moving abroad and you want to sell your property, or you want to rent your property, then Getright Property is here to help you out. Or if in case you have a better investment plan and you have to sell your property, then Getright Property is here to help you in that situation as well. Let me tell you, all on zero brokerage, which means you don't have to pay anything to us. You just have to pay the builder pricing, and the best part, you get complimentary gift as an iPhone when you book through us. Why wait? Just visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Lorven Cascade Garden is not just another apartment project. It is a well combination of connectivity, comfortable living, open green spaces and spacious layouts. And also let me tell you, if you don't want to waste your time checking out the projects and waiting for the right guidance, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. And also do check us out on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Do like, share and comment. If you have any project to review, then do drop us a comment and we'll do it for you. As we come to an end of this project, I would like to thank Miss Pinky for helping me out on this walkthrough, and also I would like to thank the team and staff for helping me out on this walkthrough, and I would like to thank the builder for giving me this opportunity. I'm your host Reshma, signing off.